In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for email by date in Outlook. Let's start by opening Outlook and going straight to the search bar at the top of your mailbox. This is where all your date-based searches will happen. If you prefer typing quick commands, Outlook understands simple, powerful date filters. For example, to focus on a specific point in time using received dates. Type received date January 27th, 2026. You can do the same for sent mail by typing sent date January 27th, 2026. This tells Outlook to look for messages after that date. So it's great for narrowing down a busy mailbox. If your goal is a single day, you can combine this idea with a range, which I'll show next. To search within a date range, use two dots between the start and end date. In the search bar, type received date January 1st, 2026, January 27th, 2020. Those two dots create an inclusive window. So Outlook returns everything received from January 1st through January 27th. It's a fast way to isolate a project period or reporting window. You can swap received for sent to focus on messages you sent during the same time frame. As a tip, the dates are written in year, month, day format, which helps Outlook interpret them consistently. If you prefer a guided approach with menus, you can use Outlook's built-in filters. Click once in the search bar at the top to activate the search tools. On the right side of the search area, look for the filter button or an option labeled Search Tools. Depending on your Outlook layout, choose the date start and end option. Then pick your start date and your end date from the calendar. Next, decide where to apply the search. You can limit it to your inbox. Focus on sent items, or expand it to all folders if you want to scan more than one place. When you are ready, click Search to run it. A couple of quick pointers as you work. If your results look too broad, refine them by switching between received and sent, or by tightening the start and end dates. If you don't see what you expect, double-check the date format and make sure you are searching in the right location, such as inbox versus sent. And remember, the range format with two dots is inclusive. So make sure your end date is the last day you want included. That's it. Thanks for watching.